Hello, and welcome back to the channel. If you're coming back, if this is your first time, welcome to the Rybar. I am Rybar, the proprietor of this fine establishment, and today, oh boy, I'm tired. I just got back last night, 1 a.m. from Rooster Teeth Expo, RTX Austin 2022, and let me just tell you, it was amazing. It is the greatest experience I have ever had in my life doing anything, and it was way yonder beyond what I wanted it to be. It was incredible, guys. Let me tell you, it was incredible. I wanted to make a quick video today to kind of show you some of the swag I picked up while I was in Austin, and to kind of reminisce real quick about just the experience. If you go over, check out TikTok, it's in the link tree in the channel description. You can watch my short little clips from when I went into certain towns on the road trip, which was long. But, well, as I said, the main part of this is going to be swag. We have the bag of fun right here. Apologies to your ears. So first thing I wanted to show off is the awesome Rooster Teeth bag that we all got. As our Rooster Teeth RTX 2022 bags they gave to everyone who showed up. And then we have the badge, and we have got a fantastic first thing I want to show you here in just 1 second while I pull up something real quick so I can tell y'all who I got it from. RTX was just amazing. The city of Austin is just so great. I loved almost every second of being there. Almost, I say, because parking is kind of it's the only real downside. Okay, so I found it. All right, so first thing I want to show you is this amazing lily that I got. It is from Chaos Lily Creations. Chaos Lily Creations. You can go online and I'm sure you can find them. They make these beautiful lily pens that are color coded to different sexualities and different groups and things. So like mine is an ally, because I'm an ally, you know. And they have like 40, I think, different types of lilies. So you can go to them and find whatever you need. They've got it, I'm sure. Next thing to show you is the badges. Yes, I had a weekend badge because I'm poor. But was able to get some reservations and things. So it was all good. Then on the back we have my Face Jam badge, which you can see I have had signed. I got it signed by a few different people: Jack Patillo, Matt Bragg. You can see Jack and Matt there. Kai, BK. Let's see who else. Chris Damaris, Eric Bador. Who were you? Trevor Collins, Alfredo Diaz, Low G's. I think that's it. If I'm forgetting someone. Unfortunately, some of the names have rubbed off, which is a little upsetting, but That's just the Sharpie that I used wasn't good enough. So, but we will set that aside, and we will move on to the merch. So, first bit of merch. That I wanted to show off is a little guy that I got because I cosplayed as David on Saturday at RTX. So if you're watching this and you saw me as David, hi. Camp A Diem, everybody. I got Max. Look, isn't he cute? He's so adorable and he's so angry. Why are you so angry, Max? Everything's gonna be okay. So we got Max. And then there was also a crane machine in the RT store that you could go. You could pay $5 and you'd get 3 tries to grab a prize from the machine. On my second try, I got Blake. Isn't she cute? I got a Blake. So I have Max and Blake plushes. I also managed to snag. It's not the Face Jam thing I wanted, but they weren't selling the Face Jam thing I wanted. It is the Face Jam official silverware set. It's a camping set. Look at that. It's a spoon, a fork, and a knife. And they have 100% eat on them. Isn't that just great? That's awesome. So I got that. Then I got 2 more things for you. We have that. I gotta grab it. We next have the lovely Ruby Switch case from the summer of 2022. This thing is so adorable, and I saw it at the Ruby panel on Friday morning and just knew I had to get it. It is great. It is a nice hard case. It's got plenty of pockets and things in it for all the games that I need. And I know that my Switch is safe and secure inside of here. So that was a great pull. Luckily, they had plenty of those. And of course, what trip to RTX, what trip to Austin, home of Rooster Teeth, would be complete without some AH merch? I mean, come on. So I managed to snag, because they had them, and I'm so amazed that they had them. I was not expecting them to have these. I have been wanting this for so long, since they first came out last fall, I think it was. Boom! The Achievement Hunter hockey jersey is mine, and I love it. It's so great. It is so great. It's so comfy and warm, which you don't need in Austin, but it's comfy and warm. So I love it. It's great. It is a great bit of design, the way they did it. You know, you got the Achievement Hunter on the back. You got the AH on the sleeves. It's such a good design, man. And before I go, I have one last thing to show. Because my best friend, or one of my best friends, is such a cool and amazing person, and I love her so much. Go and check out Simply Needy on everything. Simply_needy. Most places on Twitch. Go check her out on Twitter, and just everywhere that you can find Simply Needy. Watch her on Twitch. She is great. She's fun. But I am a Kansas City Royals fan who lives in Alabama. Thank you, Lindsay, for my amazing, amazing Kansas City Royals jersey. I thank you very much. And I thank you to all my friends, everybody who watches this. Thank you, Rooster Teeth, for holding this amazing event. I really mean it. It means the world to us in the community that you allow us to come to your home and burn it to the ground, basically. It was so much fun. It's, like I said, it's the greatest thing I've ever done. The best experience of my life. And I cannot wait. Cannot wait for RTX 2023. June 7th through the 9th. Or July 7th. Sorry, excuse me. Pardon me. July 7th through the 9th, 2023. Go check out RTX with me next year. It's going to be a lot of fun. Thank you guys. And have a lovely month of July. Bye.